Hey, my lovelies. So, here we go. I'm doing another reviewing session, and this time I'm going to review this facial steamer and the blackhead remover. Now, I need to tell you a little story. When I got this facial steamer, I actually bought it from Amazon, and the product is extremely good. The brand is called Lonove. I'll put the links and everything in the description box. So I've just started I just turned the steamer on, and I'm just going to take the steam for 10 minutes. They only recommend to take it for 10 minutes, and the steamer actually gets turned off after 10 minutes itself. If you want more, you can take it more, but 10 minutes is the maximum they recommend. While I'm taking this steam, I just want to let you know one thing. I only bought the facial steamer. Now, when I received the delivery, it came with a little leaflet just saying, if I like this product, please review us and leave your review on Amazon. And once your review is published, just send us the link on this customer service email, and we will send you a blackhead remover absolutely free. Now, I did got the blackhead remover free, but I didn't send them the email or left them a review because I just wanted a blackhead remover free, but is genuinely a really good facial steamer. I have tried once before, but that was a different brand, and it was not really that good. It had a really funky smell when the steam was coming out, and also it was very like the steam was, I felt like there was a splashes of water on my face, like there was like hot water literally splashing on my face. But with this one, even if I go too close to the steamer, I still don't feel any water coming on my face. It's just a nice steam. So basically, that's why I really liked it, and I sent them the review. And after a couple of days, I got the email from the customer service just saying thank you for leaving the review, and we will post your blackhead remover to you very shortly. They sent me an email once the item was shipped. Because it was being fulfilled by Amazon, I actually got the delivery today, and I didn't have to pay anything for it, not even delivery, nothing. It's just because I'm a Prime member at Amazon. That's the other thing. So in today's delivery, when I got the blackhead remover, they had again that small leaflet just saying if I review this, then I will get the facial steamer free. It's a really pretty good deal, especially when the brand is so good. So I was pretty impressed by the facial steamer, and today when I received their blackhead remover, I just thought it would be a really good idea just to sit down and review both of the products for you guys, so you can see in action how they do, how they perform, and what my views are on this. So blackhead remover is one of those things which I was a little unsure about, because I feel like if the best extraction on your face can be done by hands, can be done when you're hands on with your extractions. This tool is good. I used it all over my face, but I felt like it didn't do as good of a job as a hands-on extraction would have done. It still took out like a minor small blackheads and whiteheads, but I won't say if anything too big. It didn't do anything. Even if I left it there for like couple of extra seconds, it didn't do anything. Instead, it just left a little bruise there. But I tend to get bruised very quickly anyway. So at that point when I was making this video and I left it at some places for too long, thinking it will take the thing out, it will take that whitehead out, but it didn't. Instead, it just left a bruise, or it just peeled my like a top skin, and a little blood came out, but that's nothing major, but that's about it. But I did like the product because it did took out a lot of other gunk. It made my pores extremely clean, which I can feel it now too. So overall, the product is good. I don't know how, like, if I will use it again. Yes, definitely I'll use it again, because I did notice the difference on certain part of my face where I can see the like really tiny small blackheads, which when you just sometime you squeeze it after a steam comes out. But it did a very for on those kind of things, this particular blackhead remover worked extremely well. But anything which needed a little extra like work or like good hands-on extraction, it didn't do that for me. So I always really like when somebody actually do my extraction with their hands, because I feel like that's the best time your face can look like, well, that's the best way your face can look absolutely clean. And extractions always tend to leave bruises, but they only last for like 24 hours or so, and by like following morning it usually goes away, depending on your skin as well, how sensitive your skin is and how quickly you get bruised or with your redness and everything. Now I'm editing this video for you guys, and I already took my shower, and I can't see my bruising that much anymore. It's still there, but I know by the morning it'll be absolutely fine. So I did like both of these items a lot. I will link everything in the description box below. So you make sure you check it out, because I think it's a pretty good deal. You can get two products, or you just only have to purchase one product, or you can get another one for free. So this is my review on this blackhead remover and facial steamer. It's Evelyn recommended.